Have you ever looked at a picture of a spiral galaxy and felt amazed by its beauty? Those sweeping arms of light, filled with billions of stars, look almost alive, as if the universe itself is painting in motion. But how do galaxies form these breathtaking spirals? Is it just a random swirl of stars, or a carefully balanced design hidden in the laws of nature? Billions of years ago, the universe was still young, filled with huge clouds of hydrogen and dust, floating silently through space. Over time, gravity, the invisible force that pulls everything together, began its work. Tiny clumps of matter slowly drew in more gas, more dust, growing larger and heavier. Eventually, these clouds collapsed under their own gravity, forming the first rotating disks of stars, the early galaxies. At first they were messy, irregular shapes, chaotic collisions and bursts of star formation everywhere. But through time, order began to emerge. Some galaxies started spinning faster. The faster they spun, the flatter they became, like pizza dough spinning in the air. This was the first step toward the spiral shape. Now, you might think those spiral arms are made of the same stars moving together, but that's not quite true. In reality, the spiral arms are waves of density that move through the galaxy, kind of like ripples in water. Imagine cars on a highway. The cars move, but traffic jams. Those dense zones move as waves along the road. That's what happens in galaxies. Stars and gas move in and out of these traffic jams, where gravity compresses the gas and sparks the birth of new stars. Those newborn stars light up, tracing the shape of the spiral arms we see from Earth. So the spiral is not a solid structure, it's a pattern, a wave, continuously moving and reshaping over millions of years. Spiral galaxies make up about 70% of all galaxies in the nearby universe. Why are they so common? Because spiral structures are nature's way of balancing motion and gravity. When a galaxy has enough angular momentum, meaning it spins at the right speed, gravity pulls matter inward, while rotation spreads it outward. The result? A graceful, stable disk with spiraling arms, the most efficient way for a galaxy to stay in balance while still forming stars. Some famous examples include the Milky Way, our home galaxy, and the Andromeda Galaxy, our nearest neighbor, which is also a beautiful spiral. In a few billion years, these two galaxies will collide, and the result may be a giant elliptical galaxy, no longer spiral, showing that even the grandest designs in the cosmos continue to evolve. What makes spiral galaxies truly mesmerizing is their motion. Each arm is slowly turning, each star orbiting the center like dancers in a vast cosmic waltz. Our own sun takes about 230 million years to complete one orbit around the Milky Way's center. By the time it finishes one round, the dinosaurs that once walked the Earth have come and gone, and yet the galaxy keeps spinning, gracefully, endlessly, with astonishing order. Even though chaos exists, everything follows laws, precise, predictable, and full of balance. When you see a spiral galaxy, you're not just looking at stars, you're witnessing a masterpiece of motion, light, and balance. From clouds of gas to waves of gravity, from chaos to harmony, every part plays its role perfectly. It's hard not to feel awe, because beauty like this doesn't happen by accident. The universe, vast and silent, speaks through design, and behind every design, there is a designer. This is nature's design, uncovering the order, harmony, and divine artistry, written in the fabric of the cosmos. Subscribe to explore more wonders of creation.